Creating a workflow in GoHighLevel helps automate your marketing and lead management processes, ensuring consistent and timely communication with your leads and clients. Here's how to create a workflow. Log into GoHighLevel. Sign into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the automation section in the left sidebar. Access workflows. Under the automation menu, click on workflows and then select create new workflow. Choose a trigger. The first step in creating a workflow is defining a trigger that will start the automation. Triggers could be actions like form submissions, new leads, appointment bookings, or specific tag additions. Click on Add Trigger, choose the event that will start the workflow, and configure its details. Define actions. After setting up the trigger, you can define the actions that follow. Actions can include sending emails or SMS messages, assigning tasks, adding or removing tags, or updating lead status. Click on Add Action to select from a variety of actions that will be carried out once the trigger occurs. Add delays or conditions. You can add delays between actions or set conditions to customize the workflow further. Test and activate. Once your workflow is set up, test it to ensure it functions correctly. Then click Activate to enable the workflow.